Hello, this is Christian Fint for ABP Tech International and ABP Tech Canada. Today I received a request from a partner on how to program a Mobotix Door Station to send out an automated email as soon as a PIN is entered, either correctly or incorrectly. In order to do so, I will briefly explain the outline and won't be getting in all the little details, so if you have questions, please leave them in the comments below or send me an email. But here's what you have to do. So first of all, in order to send an email, the Mobotix camera has to understand how to send an email. So we're going to the admin menu. In the admin menu, under Transfer Profiles, there is Emails Profiles. So we're basically taking a quick look here. So of course, you have to set up the global parameters, like the addressing. This is the sender address. Ignore the standard message here, and then we have the server settings. So I'm using my own email server here, and further down below you see all the different profiles. Now it starts with creating a profile for this automated message so that the door station understands what content you would like to see. So we're adding a profile. In this case, I'll send it again to me. Okay, and then message from the variable here, the $ID.name, sends the name of the door station. In this case, Mobotix T26. Totally fine. In this case, not Mobotix T26, but the default name of the camera. So you should probably change that in a live deployment, but for now that's okay. I want an image, and I want a live image, and that's all it already takes. I click Set, and well, okay, I forgot to rename the email, so let's say event with image. Okay, so event with image, and that's in. We can test that setting right away by clicking on Test Network Configuration, and we're scrolling down until we find in the emails here, email profile, and you click on the transfer button, and then after a couple of seconds you already see here the email has been sent, so that works. Here's the email on the other side. You see the message from, and that's the camera name, the address, timestamp, and then here is the current picture. Nothing to it. The standard email. Now the logic happens someplace else, of course. So if the camera is correctly configured, the auto configuration has been performed. In the event overview, you have certain internal events and signal events. Now, in the internal events, we have the RFID access granted, PIN access granted, or denied, both of them. So these four events will be the events we're triggering to send an email. So we're going back to the Setup menu, we go into Action Group Overview. Now we create a new action group, and we call that Send Email. We don't link it to a timetable. We want this to be active 24/7. And now here in the event selection, that's the first step I'll do. I select all the events which are relevant for that. If you only want to have emails when access is granted or denied, then well, subtract the ones you don't like here. You can select multiple or single events by holding Control down, or you're holding Shift down to basically select the whole list of events. Now down here in Actions, all I need to do, I click Add New Action, and then from the list I basically select the email with image, and I click Set, and that's it. So now the door station knows that when there is an event granted and or access granted or access denied, it will basically send out an email. Now let's test the theory. So I'm holding the card over the keypad. Access is granted. So let's see how it worked. System messages. And we're going all the way down to the bottom. And here you can see that email with image, starting mail transfer, mail with one attachment delivered. And now let's check it on the other side again. And here you see on the other side, there's the image, and you see me holding the card over it. That's how easy it is. I hope this is a helpful video. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below, send me an email. Thanks for watching and have a great day.